Shine Khan. I am in class 7th from Saint Mira Convent School, Marudar Educational Group.
St. Mira Convent School student. Sahin teaching in live class.
Hello everyone. Today also I am having with you and now one more kid is with us, so he will introduce himself. Yes beta.
Jain everyone, my name is Shine Khan. I am in class 7th from Saint Mira Convent School, Marudar Educational Group.
Okay, so today what you will teach us?
Sir, today I am going to tell about the Ganga Brahmaputra basin.
Okay, so Ganga Brahmaputra basin. So yes, tell me, teach me what it is, what it is there.
Then sir, let's go about the sir. First, I am going to tell about where the Ganga Brahmaputra is located.
Okay, where it is located? Yes, tell
The
me.
Ganga Brahmaputra located in the northern part of the India subcontinent.
Okay, it is in northern part of Indian subcontinent.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Okay, yes. And what else is there?
And so now we move to another. There's the main river and their tributaries. Then we move to their tributaries, and their tributaries are the plains and the foothills, Himalayas, and the deltas.
So,
And the
as I can see, many rivers are here.
Yes,
So,
sir.
tell me about all these rivers.
There are many type of river of the main of the Ganga Brahmaputra. First is Kosi, second
Okay.
is Son,
Okay.
third is Ghagra, so fourth one is Gandak.
Okay. Okay. So, tell me about these deltas. Malab, these are the northern India plains.
Yes,
So,
sir.
tell me about these deltas.
So
What is?
first I am going to tell about the plains.
Okay.
The topography of plain is the flat with a gentle slope. In the
Okay.
climate are the monsoon types, sir, with the hot summer and cool winter, and the month of it's June to September. And the mainly include their vegetation is the tropical deciduous, the teak, pal, and sal. Sir,
Okay.
this.
Malab, it is the deciduous kind of
Yes, sir.
forest.
And
Okay.
let's we talk, sir. Their animals, there are the rhinos, monkeys, and the tiger likes are as well in the
Okay.
forest.
The Royal Bengal tiger is also there or
No,
not?
sir. They're
Okay.
in the delta, Sundarban
Acha, it is
delta.
in Sundarban Delta. Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
yes, tell me more about this.
Then, sir, we move to another the mountain.
Mountains.
Yes, sir. The
Okay.
mountain topography is uneven terrain with the gentle slopes. And let's move to their vegetation. The vegetation of the mountain coniferous trees with the mainly groups are the teal, sal, and the tire sword and the deodar.
Okay. Very nice.
And their animals, sir, we can find acidic black bear, sir, like black bear we can see there, and the various species of the birds.
Okay, matlab the black bear was found. It
Yes,
is
sir.
still existing there or now it is?
Yes, sir. Like in Ladakh, we can sir see now the various species of the birds, like sir, red start, teotan, cock.
Very good, very good. Now,
Yes,
what
sir.
about this Sundarban Delta?
The Sundarban Delta is famous for, sir. We can find here, sir. You only said the Royal Bengal tiger, famous for its, and the topography of the Sundarban Delta is. Uh,
The topography is, matlab, it is nearby. It is what kind of forest is there in Sundarban Delta?
Sir, there is found the mangrove forest, sir, like mango forest. There is a founded mainly.
Matlab the mango trees are there or what?
Yes, sir, mangrove trees, sir,
Okay,
like.
very, very, very nice, very nice. And
Yes, sir.
anything else you want to tell?
Sir, this much only, sir, the forest and their plains and their topographies.
Okay.
Sir,
So this is
see,
wildlife.
yes,
Okay,
sir, the
these
wildlife.
are elephant, tigers, and
Yes, sir,
monkeys, as
yes,
you have
sir.
told. Okay, Shine, thank you very much for this good presentation.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.